To solve this question, we need to find the slope of the given line. The fastest way to do that is to put our line in slope-intercept form. Let's go ahead and recall what slope-intercept form is first before we manipulate our given equation. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. And here x and y are variables, but m actually represents our slope and b is our y-intercept. So if we can isolate the given equation for y, we can actually find the number that's attached to the x, or multiplied by x, also the coefficient, and that will represent our slope out of the given options. So let's go ahead and let's take our given equation and let's start isolating y. First we'll go ahead and we'll move this 3x to the other side by subtracting it from both sides. So we have a 5y is equal to negative 3x plus 10. We can now go ahead and isolate y by dividing out by 5. So we end up with y equals, and we're going to take this whole right side of our equation and divide it by 5. Now we could say negative 3x plus 10 all over 5, but we know eventually from our y equals mx plus b form that we're going to have to break it up and get individual terms. So we can also just divide each individual term by 5 as well, right off the bat. So let's go ahead and let's do that. Negative 3x over 5 plus 10 over 5. And we'll go ahead and simplify, simultaneously separating out the coefficient of x. So we end up with y equals negative 3/5 times x plus 2. Now comparing to our y equals mx plus b form that we had our slope-intercept form, m is the slope. So here the coefficient of x is negative 3/5, so this is actually going to be our slope. And we can find negative 3/5 in our answer choice. That's actually answer choice B. So that would be our final answer, is answer choice B, negative 3/5.